In this version, we allowed complete management of fixture and jaw components in ToolKit. On the left, we have added a new fixture icon where fixture body and jaw body or components can be added into a structure folder. A new folder of fixture has been added too. Double-click on the fixture or just drag and drop. We'll add specific body where you can define them as a 3D model or a sketch. You can also import complete structure of predefined components by selecting the folder. As so, collapsing and expanding, we can see the whole structure itself. For each of the components, you can convert to jaw, and each jaw you can convert to a fixture. Fixture components can be then assembled and saved on the assembly level or machine level itself. I'm going to open such assembly. Where I have various kind of fixtures, vices, chucks, and collets. Pay attention that those icons are a way different in comparing if this would be a tool item. Gives you a better overview of what type of components or assembly it is. Later in the project, these assemblies can be imported from the database and used within the project.